Hello everyone, welcome back to the another exciting video on my YouTube channel, The Powerhouse Ideas. This video is all about the analysis of Nifty 50 and where we can see Nifty 50 on Monday. Monday को Nifty 50 की movement कैसी रह सकती है? We will discuss that. We will discuss that with logics and with reasons, right? So before starting the analysis, the most important thing what a trader needs to do is identifying the trend. What is the trend? You can see over here. क्या trend क्या है आपके सामने? If you can see by just drawing a single trend line, वैसे तो it's visible to the naked eyes, but you can see that the market, that is Nifty 50, is following this downtrend. Every time it moves up, it creates a new low, right? So right now the trend is down. So whosoever is going for on the buy side, that is on the call side, might end up losing money. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहली इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो हमने अभी की वो ये है कि आइडेंटिफाई करो ट्रेंड क्या है मार्केट का. उसके बाद द नेक्स्ट वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग बिफोर यू एनालाइज निफ्टी 50 ऑन डेली बेसिस इज आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द की लेवल्स. ठीक है, तो हम देख सकते हैं कि अभी रिसेंटली हमें क्या देखने को मिला. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द प्राइस एक्शन. Wait a second. Yeah. Let us understand the price action. As you can see over here, the market is continuously making lower highs and lower lows. ये जो हाई यहाँ पे बना और जो उसका नेक्स्ट हाई बना वो पिछले हाई से नीचे बना, एंड जो हाई यहाँ पे बन रहा है वो भी पिछले हाई से नीचे है. As we saw over here, after creating of this high, market created a new low which was lower than this previous low. So अभी तक there are every chances that market might fall more down from here, creating a new low below this low. So अभी तक bearishness बहुत ज्यादा है. Now let us identify some of the key levels or you can say key support areas where market can form a support. ठीक है, सबसे पहले जो एक लेवल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हमारे सामने आ रहा है निकल के, let us identify that this is this level somewhere over here. हम इसको ऑप्शन चेन पे भी करेंगे, लेकिन पहले हम चार्ट्स पे टेक्निकल्स पे समझते हैं वो लेवल क्या निकल के आता है. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द लेवल्स आर ऑलवेज एन एरिया. एक प्राइस नहीं होता है पर्टिकुलर, इट्स ऑलवेज एन एरिया. सो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट की लेवल विच कम्स आउट टू बी इज द लेवल ऑफ 18,000. आप यहां देख सकते हो अपनी स्क्रीन के ऊपर. मैं आपको स्क्रीन पे आपको दिख नहीं रहा, मैं आपको दिखाता हूं, एक मिनट. Yes, now you will be able to see. आप देख सकते हो स्क्रीन के ऊपर द लेवल ऑफ 17,977, जिसको हम राउंड ऑफ करके बात करें तो 17,800. ठीक है, नॉट 17,800, सॉरी 18,000 इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल फॉर द मार्केट. वी एटलीस्ट नीड टू ब्रेक अबव दिस डबल टॉप टू बी पॉजिटिव. बट नॉट ओनली दिस, till the price does not breaks above this resistance of trend line, till that time we are not positive, because whenever this area is broken and this trend line is broken, this series of lower highs, lower high formation, this series of lower high formation will get over, because we will find a new high which is higher than the previous high. So an area of 18,000 is very important, which is seen on the charts. Now let us see some of the supports on the downside. What are the supports on the downside? Let us see that. For that, let us move to a smaller time frame. ठीक है, थोड़े छोटे पे चलते हैं, 30 मिनट्स पे चलते हैं. 30 मिनट्स पे आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे वेरी इजीली. द की फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द की लेवल इज दैट जस्ट सी ऑन द लेफ्ट, वॉट एवर द फर्स्ट प्राइस एक्शन यू सी इज योर की लेवल. इट्स दैट सिंपल. This is the next key level which I am able to identify. Why? This reason is very simple. Because price took a support at this area and had a bounce. Means the level of 17,800, if we round it off to 17,800, is very important. ठीक है, let's identify a next key level on the downside. Let's identify a next key level on the downside which comes out to be, give me a second, it's somewhere over here. Now why? It is visible to the naked eyes that this area over here somewhere around 17,650, और अगर हम इसको थोड़ा नीचे कर दें तो 17,600 से 650 का लेवल इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वाई? बिकॉज it faced a support over here, then a support, we saw a big rally and again a support. So there is a trading range right now. The trading range is somewhere between 17,600 to a broader range that is 18,000. ये 400 पॉइंट की रेंज है जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है निफ्टी के लिए. अगर 17,600 का लेवल ब्रेक होता है then we are seeing this level coming and that is 17,500. So at least till the time this level that is 17,800 is not breaking, you are not going for the buys or you are not going for the call trades. ठीक है, we are only finding selling trades because the overall trend is down. When the trend will change, we will see a changed opinion, but right now I am bearish on Nifty till the time 18,000 is not crossed. ठीक है, अब what can be the possibility? The possibility can be the Nifty comes over here at this key level which I have already identified and started forming some patterns or consolidation over here. If we see a move upward from here, we can book target by target. Like the first target can be 17,750, then the next target can be 17,800, but that will be a very risky trade because the overall trend is down. Okay, so another thing which can happen on Monday is that as we can see over here that we had a bounce from this level which we have already identified. If the level had this bounce and reaches back over here, and if we see some bearish patterns forming over here, then buying a put will be much more safe than buying a call over here because the overall trend is down and we are trading with the trend. Now most of you must be thinking that why we are preparing on both the sides. As a trader, you need to be ready with every alternative so that you can make money in the market. So let me again clear to you that till the time 18,000 is not crossed, we are not going for a buy. We can go for a sell if the price reacts, which we can see at the time of Murat trading also that the price was not able to break above this area. If we see again some bearish sentiments over here and a downtrend starting over here, we can keep a target of 17,800 on the charts. ठीक है, स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा इसके ऊपर कहीं पे. ठीक है, उसके बाद अगर ऊपर की साइड मूवमेंट हमें देखने को मिलती है देन द नेक्स्ट की लेवल फॉर कीपिंग द टारगेट अबव दिस लेवल 18,000 विल बी somewhere over here which is visible to the naked eyes because this area was working as a support. Now there are chances that it will work as a resistance, so this will be our first target, and if it crosses this level also then this level of 18,350 can be seen. But we are not aiming for such bigger targets because right now Nifty is slight bearish. Now let us do a quick analysis of the option chain and see what are the levels available on that. This is Nifty 50 11th November expiry option chain data. आप देख सकते हैं जितनी भी कॉल राइटिंग है लेफ्ट साइड के ऊपर, जितनी भी कॉल राइटिंग है लेफ्ट साइड के ऊपर, these work as a resistance. Nifty is currently trading at 17,916 and the next resistance which is 17,950 which is having an open interest of 14,534 contracts. That is a huge number, and we can also see some addition on the last day. Means people are still writing calls, people are still writing calls, which is a negative sentiment. And 18,000 has a lot of resistance, a very huge figure of 60,000 contracts. And to my surprise, not to my surprise, to your surprise, you can see that 18,000 level over here is also a major resistance on the chart. So 18,000 a very key level to break, and whenever we see a break above this level, all the persons who have shorted the stock over here, shorted this Nifty over here, will be hitting stop losses and it will also create a buying pressure. ठीक है, अगर हम ओवरऑल ऑप्शन चेन की बात करें, ओवरऑल ऑप्शन चेन की बात करें तो आप देख सकते हो जो कॉल राइटिंग का डाटा है दैट इज 6,47,157 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स विच इज हायर देन दी पुट writing contracts, which is also bearish. So right now Nifty is bearish. We don't know what will happen on Monday, but the data suggests and the technical analysis suggests that Nifty is right now bearish. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा और देखते हैं इसको, थोड़ा सा और समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. The next resistance on the upside which comes out to be after 18,000 major resistance is somewhere over here 18,100. Let us see whether it's on chart as well. 18,100. See, I've already identified without seeing the data, we can see that 18,100 is the next resistance. So the data and the technical analysis are coinciding, which is a good thing that your analysis seems to be correct. right? Now let us see on the support side that whether we can find some good supports. As the market is right now at 17,916, we can see that 17,900 is the next support, which is also having a good number and with some addition also, because people are creating a support over here. Then next is 17,800 with some addition. Both are having good figures, whereas 17,800 is a good support. Now let us see 17,800. As you can see, already drawn on the charts that this area is a good support. So this is how technical analysis is combined with option chain analysis. So to summarize all, 18,000 is a very key level. Till the time 18,000 and this trend line is not broken, we are not going for calls. We are already only looking for put trades. Okay? And these levels on the downside are very important. If we see a break below this area, that is 17,600, then 17,500 is on the chart. So be cautious. Right now Nifty is bearish. I don't know what will happen on Monday, how the data will change, but this is a complete overall analysis of Nifty, and my opinion right now is bearish. But being a soldier, I need to keep a sword that is double-edged. I need to know that what I have to do when Nifty moves upwards, and also I need to know that what will happen if Nifty moves downwards. So I'm prepared for both the scenarios, both the cases, what will happen and what I'll do, and if this will happen, what I'll do. So this is all about Nifty analysis for you, which I have done for myself and shared with you. I hope you liked this analysis. If you did, like this video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.